I was sent the set of replacement ear pads for your Bose headsets and asked you my opinion on them, make this short video. So let's see what you get here. These are nice because they come with like a fabric covering over the foam. So you can see that blue in there, that's the foam. And then it's got some netting on the inside here. It's got a ridge. This is going to clip into your headphones. And then this has got a nice fabric cover over there so they won't get sweaty, don't get too hot. Pretty nice. You've also got the inner portions marked with left and right, and these have some glue so you can stick them in place. You got a couple choices of colors for that. You can have the darker ones or the ones that are a little easier to read in the light blue. So you got some choices there. That's everything you're going to get. Plus you're going to get this little tool. It's very helpful to unclip the old ear pad and put the new one in. So let's go ahead and clip one of these into mine. This is an old set here, and they're getting a little tore up. You can see around the bottom here. They just start doing that and it gets all over the place and this stuff gets in your ears and it just gets kind of nasty. So to get these out, you can just kind of tug on them a little bit like this and get that to unclip. And if you need to, you can use this as well to pry them off. And they'll just come right off like that. So there's my left one. My inner portion here is okay. I'm just going to leave that alone. But I am going to install the new. And if you look closely, you've got some little retention clips here all around on all corners. So that's what's going to clip on to that ring. So I'm going to head and just get started on one side here and then clip it in all the way around. You can hear that snapping in like that, and that's all you got to do. And there you go, we're all done. Got them both installed. These are going to be super comfortable. They match well with the existing colors of these headphones, and I'm sure they'll be good for you too. Hope that helps. Have a great day.